Although much has been accomplished through Rivershore's current central location, the establishment of a new, more cost-effective building that is accessible to all people is now a critically important next step. Rivershore is seeking to establish the Rivershore Center for Learning and Growth in Niagara County.
We are seeking a new location for our organization, a new central location. The first and most important reason for that is our current environment is not accessible. The buildings are quite old. They were built at a time when accessibility was not a consideration in the construction of our current environment. And therefore, not everyone who would like to come to Rivershore and would like to spend time in our environments or work in our environments or attend a meeting here at Rivershore is able to do so.
Rivershore's current central location is situated in 3 separate buildings. Doorways, bathrooms, and stairwells are all barriers. People with physical challenges cannot use Rivershore's space, limiting options and opportunities. Also, the current location is not fully accessible through the public transportation system. A new building for Rivershore will incorporate universal design concepts, making things accessible, safer, and convenient for everyone. A new, properly designed building will support the way Rivershore functions. The new building will feature a self-advocacy center as its focal point, sending a clear message that equality and full community inclusion for people living with developmental disabilities is Rivershore's top priority. The Rivershore building will support a new clinic that will provide much-needed psychiatry, psychology, and mental health counseling. These services are desperately needed in Niagara County, especially for people living with developmental disabilities.
We do the best we can with the situation that we have, but currently people are traveling to Rochester oftentimes to access those services so they can have an appropriate environment for that to be carried out. And there is a dire need in our county, and certainly for people that we're serving, to have those services more accessible, and our new location seeks to establish exactly that.
Skilled nursing, nutrition counseling, and other important clinical services will also be available through the new clinic. The clinic will undoubtedly be a vital resource for the entire Niagara community. The Rivershore Center for Learning and Growth will support life planning and employment training services for the people Rivershore serves, and professional training facilities for the Rivershore staff. A state-of-the-art conference center will support these activities and will be available for use by the many community service groups Rivershore affiliates with. Rivershore's leadership and professional staff will work at the center, accessible to and involved with all who visit.